Learn Islam with four sisters, learning every day. Little hearts and growing minds, Allah's loving way.
The sisters walked into their room.
Oh no, it's so messy.
Toys everywhere.
What a big mess.
Let's make it a mission.
Toys on floor and books around. Messy, messy, all around. But we know just what to do. Clean it up for me and you.
The sisters got ready like a team.
I'll pick up the toys. I'll fix the books.
I'll fold the clothes.
Let's do it together.
Pick it up and put away. Clean our room the happy way. Working fast and working smart. Cleaning is a caring heart.
The room started looking better.
Wow, it's getting clean. This feels so nice.
Allah loves clean places.
Clean and tidy, neat and bright. Everything looks just right. Happy room and happy day. Cleanliness is the best way.
The sisters smiled proudly.
We did it. Teamwork is fun. We will keep it clean.
Ya Allah, help us clean each day. Keep our mess all far away. Make us tidy, neat and true. Clean hearts shining just for you. Learn Islam with four sisters, learning what is right. Loving Allah in all we do, from morning until night.
Alhamdulillah, we had so much fun today. Don't forget to say Bismillah, pray on time. Like, subscribe, and join us again soon, Insha'Allah.